Garfield bread and butter of a build and review, so we're gonna build... It's a RC boat for Olivia, who's that character there, in the new Friends style. So it's that new Friends style, and I'm sure that you'll all enjoy Friends because I'm reviewing it. Bag here, it says Denmark, Hungary, Mexico, China, and the Czech Republic. Great to hear. Take your kid to Legoland. Don't feed it to tiny children. And recycling information is found there. So let's speed build that beast. You're into packaging, it's got all this great stuff that you can buy for all the other friends. That one comes with some friends, the other one comes with a friend or two, and the other two just come with one friend, but that's okay. So that's how you collect all the friends. So actual build though, I built it backwards, but it's does the same thing. It's a boat and it spins. That's playability, so it gets a 6 out of 10. Great set. You also get this mini doll and the lily pad here with that new flower with the long thing underneath, and it's not a mini bar. Is that a bar size? I think we can find out, can't we? Yeah, it is. It's a bar, so you can hold onto a single flower. Neat. Let's do some advanced technology to take a closer look at that figure. So what are we looking at? It's a mini doll. So it's a great mini doll. It's got some kind of necklace. There's a little bit of lemon printing on the collar, and the skirt is also all the way around. Little blue shoes on the thing there. There's nothing printed on the back of mini dolls usually. And the big thing to look at is this hairpiece, which I don't know of existing before just right this second. Got like a braid across the top, and then curly hair. Pretty neat. She's the nerdy one and the smart one, so she's got glasses and kind of preppy fashion. Okay. So as you know, everything that spins is a great Lego set, and I enjoy spinning sets, and for 25 pieces for $5 or whatever polybags are now, it's probably not a good part pack, but it's a good way to get a new Olivia, if you're into new Olivia. So, 6 out of 10. It's just a great value for money, and playability is great because Lego sets, there's also some extra pieces which are great, and you get one of these classic. Oh no! I don't know if you guys know this or not. I need that light though. So, not recently, but these things have hollowed out backs now. The walkie-talkies, they're not a solid lump of plastic. It's a shame, but things happen, so. 1 out of 10 is the final number for the set that I'm going to give it. If you disagree, that's too bad. So, we're going to use Dragon here for the related video that YouTube thinks that you'll enjoy. You can subscribe to me in the middle, and over here, vaguely on the right side of the screen, is something else that I personally handpicked for you to watch, personally for you.